Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. Today, guys, is going to be an absolute busy monster of a day. I've got so much going on. We need to get this back in, subframe, and then I want to see if this clutch actually works. Yeah, I'm just not sure in a minute. It's a real strange feeling that I'm just not sure. So I'm hopefully, fingers crossed, that this works and we can move forward. Do you know what I mean? I can't do anything else until we know that it drives fine and it goes into gear and the clutch works. I need to make sure that all works fine before we move on and do anything else. So yeah, I might even try and bleed it and get it going and get it running without putting the subframe on. Actually, I suppose it doesn't really matter, does it? I don't know. We'll have to have a think about that one. But yeah, absolute busy day today. I need to get the white Fiesta I had, that with the new, the engine swap. Someone's coming to look at that today, this morning, so I need to get that ready. Also, I've got to go and pick up the Peugeot 207 at the paint shop. The body shop's done, the paint shop's done, and he's ready to pick up not this morning, but this afternoon. So, yeah, it's going to be so busy today. I can see it now. So, let's crack on. Let's just crack on. I think, yeah, we need to crack on with this. So, let's set you up. Let's crack on and get this in place, I think. Yeah, I'm just unsure at the minute. It's too early. It's too early. Guys, let's do this. Right, okay, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually make a decision and I'm going to put this in right now. Going to take it up there, put it up, because I don't think it's the gearbox and I've done the clutch now. So I think, yeah, I'm quite happy to put that back in place. So let's do that first. Take that, put that back in place, bolt that back up. And then we're going to bleed the clutch to see if it's working because, yeah, I just hope it does. I've just cleaned the white Fiesta. That's now ready. The guy's on his way. So let's see what happens with that. I'll let you know. Still got to go and pick up that Peugeot 207 from the paint shop because it's done. It's ready. But I just wanted to have a quick go at this, really. Just put that in place, drop the car down on top of it, just get it lined up, maybe put a couple of bolts in just to hold it in place. So, yeah, let's crack on with that for the moment, and I'll let you know what happens with the white Fiesta. So let's do this. Right, okay guys, so there we go. It is all buttoned up. It is all back together. Exhaust pipes back on, in place where it should be. Everything's been done up, all nice and tight. And look how well that the black paint looks on his subframe. It looks really, really smart. So yeah, really, really good. So we are all done. Every bolt has been done up, all the suspension's been put back together. It is all there. So all we've got to do now is we've got to bleed the clutch pedal. The bolt's been done up at the spline as well, where the shaft goes in. So the steering is exactly where it should be. So I'm not going to be able to do this on my own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, see if the mechanic at the end can help me quickly just to bleed this out and see if we can do it. I don't know. Let's just hope that this works. If not, it's going to be, a lot of people are saying it could be the master cylinder at the back there, but I'm getting a donor car. So again, any parts that we need is coming off that donor car, and we can use it on this to get this 100%. So that was the whole idea of that donor car. When you add it all up, it was just worth grabbing it. So yeah, I've just been so busy. I've not been able to get it, that donor car. We're going to pick it up Monday. I'll show you what it is on Monday's video. But for now, I want to quickly show you this space here is where the Fiesta was. The Fiesta, the white one, has now sold. So that's gone. The other good news, guys, I've got this Peugeot 207 back from the paint shop. It's right here. I've got to show you this. This is incredible what he's done. Again, a lot to do with it is me supplying the right shade of colour on the actual paint. You see the bumper? He painted the whole bumper round. And there you go. There's the repair. You can just see there's like a slight scar there. But all in all, I think he's done a really good job. And not too messy this time as well. A little bit messy around the wheels and stuff like that, but it's expected. You know, when you go to a body shop and a paint shop, it is definitely to be expected, but it looks unbelievable. He's done a really, really good job. So I'm super happy with it. There you go. You'd never know, would you? That's why I do the videos, so people can see what it was like before and after. And yeah, it's looking really, really good. And we've got a little bit of paint left over as well. So yeah, there we go. He's really, really good, isn't he? I think it's probably, I don't know, like it's because it's been painted like that, it does really make a lot of difference, doesn't it? And you think, wow, but there you go, it's all been done. You can just slightly see it, can't you, there? So yeah, so it's not 100% perfect, but it's definitely better than what it was. And yeah, it's all back together. So there we go. I swear that door's a bit slightly different. I don't know if it's the angle of the camera or what, but slightly different, isn't it? So now it's all been cleaned up. And then down there, it looks all right. It's weird. Maybe it's the metallic or the paint or whatever it is, but it's very strange, isn't it? Yeah, and he's sort of done the bumper right round as well for me as well. So that's all done, nice and tidy. A lot better. You know what I mean? The other thing as well, I didn't realise until just now, he must have buffed up these headlights for me as well. I didn't ask him to do this, but it looks like he has, because I can tell that the swell marks are on the air. Look, so you see the swell marks on the bonnet. So it looks like he's had a go at his headlights for me, which looks incredible now. I did not ask him to do that, but he's done it anyway. So I'll give him a call and thank him for doing that. The only thing that lets it down now is that, isn't it? It's the only thing. But I might just sort of touch a little bit of paint in there, just to cover it up, just to touch it up a little bit, make it a bit more tidier. But yeah, what a nice guy for doing that. Headlights looks so much better. yeah, so all we've got to do now is completely clean it up, clean the seats. We've got a little bit of paint left over, so we'll use that for any touching up we need doing. I want to do the seats because they're a little bit grubby, so you can still see it. But you've seen me do this loads of times. I'll just crack on. I'll get that done, get it cleaned up, and get it up for sale. And I'll let you know if we have any takers. But I'll probably do this tomorrow, to be honest with you. I'll get the seats done, clean all that up. Most of it's done because we did it before. We took it to the paint shop, but I just want to clean up a little bit more inside and out, and then we should be done on this one. Really quick one, this one, wasn't it? Yeah, see, it's a little bit dusty, a little bit dirty here, so I'll give the seats a good clean over, wipe them all down. So yeah, it's just a nice little cheap runaround for someone, isn't it? That's all it is, really. Just had the MOT done, so no advisories on the MOT. Yeah, just normal stuff that comes from a body shop and paint shop, really. So there we go, guys. What do we think? Drop me a message, drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. I think you're going to agree that there's a slight bit there, difference in the gap. Nothing too like major. Whether or not that's just, don't know really. Yeah, I don't think people would notice that until I pointed it out. I've got to be honest, because it's crazy, isn't it, to think that even that is a different height to that, but that's what it's supposed to be like. that is crazy. But yeah, it's supposed to be like that. So yeah, guys, just a quick cheap run around. We'll get this finished off tomorrow. I'll do the seats, clean it all up, and then it's up for sale, this one. Don't think this is going to hang around. Not quite sure on the price at the minute, but I'll sort of let you know if I sell it, how much I sell it for, or whatever. But for now, let's see if we can get this going into gear and running how it should. That is what we are, that's the next step really, is to get this running right. So I'll come back to you. I don't know if the guy wants me to film him whilst we do it. I'll have a chat with him, but let's just see. Yeah, let's just see what happens. Because it goes into gear with, yeah. So it goes into gear, fine. So I don't know if it's gear, but I don't know. Let's see if we can bleed it out and get it done anyway, guys. I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, okay, guys. So we're not going to be able to get this done today. He's so busy over there. I don't want to pull him away for anything, really, stressing out as it is, so on his own stuff. So I just don't want to, add more stress and more hassle than he's already got. And at the end of the day, it's my fault for working on my own. Do you know what I mean? And this kind of thing needs two people, really. I think I have seen a couple of videos that you can put a bar in between that, push the clutch down and hold it against the seat, so that it's pushed down. Then go to the reservoir, undo the nipple, then let the air come out, then close it, then come back, release the pedal, put it back again. But yeah, if it comes to it, we might have to try that version, that sort of way. But yeah, I just feel like, I can't pull him away from his stuff. Do you know what I mean? He's helping me out doing it as it is. So bless him. So guys, that is going to be it. It is Friday, and we're going to be getting on back on this Monday. I've done so much today, really. A lot of waffling, I've got to be honest, on this video, but I need to explain what is going on, because if I don't explain what is going on, people will be messaging me going, what happened to this? What happened to that? What? Do you know what I mean? But if I explain it as I go, I feel like people will get it. But at least it's all back together. All the subframes back in place. We've picked the Peugeot up as well. We've sold the white Fiesta. Just done a load of bits and pieces today. It's just a shame I can't get this. It's a real shame I just can't get into, because it goes into gear. It goes into reverse, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. It's just, the gears are there. But we've got no pedal. It's completely, there's nothing there at all. It's like, it pops back up, but it's just, it needs bleeding. It might need reverse bleeding as well. So we'll have to, you know, get into that on Monday. I'm going to leave him alone. He's proper stressed over there, what's going on with his own stuff. And it's just not fair. It's not fair for me to ask him to come and help me. And, you know, that's just the way it is what it is. That's the reason why, you know, it's my fault. I'm working on my own, like I said. So we will get there. It will get done, but it won't get done today. So, guys, listen, we're going to go and get that donor car for this car on Monday as well. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. See you soon. Thanks very much.